Welcome to this training video. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can make affiliate commissions fast, promoting someone else's product without having to create any kind of blog and any kind of website. And you can do this using 100% free traffic. And I'm also going to give you the proven product that's converting very, very good, which you can promote right now. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on my YouTube channel, on this channel here, then make sure you smash that subscribe button. Just click that subscribe button so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. If you have questions, just leave a comment. I answer all questions. I'm here to help you make money online. My training has helped over 20,000 people from all over the world. Some of my students have become multi-millionaires, top 7-figure earners, mentors, and coach. I could definitely help you change your life if you take massive action and follow the steps I reveal. Okay, so make sure you smash the subscribe button, click the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be appreciated. And don't forget to share this video. There's a share button below this video. Just click on that share button and share this video with the people you care, because this one video can potentially change someone's life. So let's dive into this video. We are talking about affiliate marketing down here. Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's product and earning a commission. Okay, now you just don't want to promote a product to make a quick buck. The whole purpose of promoting a product is a win-win, which means you make money, but at the same time the person who's buying the product, it should help him change his life and break through the financial whatever problems he's going through. Okay, the problem with the people who promote affiliate product is that they just look at themselves. They want to make that quick commissions, quick buck. They don't care about the person who's purchasing the product. So you shouldn't have that type of mindset. What type of mindset you want to have is you want to promote a product that's good, that's converting, that's going to make you money, that's going to help the person who's going to buy the product to change his life as well. And you want to promote a product that's latest, up to date, and that actually works. So if you implement everything that's inside the product, that's going to help you change your life. Okay, so let's dive into this and let me show you how to promote product and start making commissions. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to come to this website here. It's called Explodely. It's one of the best affiliate networks out there. You want to come here and you want to click on login, and then you want to click on affiliate login. When you click on affiliate login, it's going to give you a button at the bottom says if you're not a member, click here to sign up, and you want to sign up. It's free to join this network. This network has hundreds and even thousands of digital products you can promote, but you have to be very, very careful, because some of the products are very hyped, and some of the products the sales page claims certain things which I believe will not be true if you buy the product. Okay, so that's why I have decided to give you the same product, the exact product that you can promote and start making commissions very fast, very quickly, and start seeing some incredible results. A product that converts very, very good, that has a very proven sales record and a conversion rate, and a product that will help you and help the person who's going to purchase the product change their life potentially. Okay, so if you want to join this network, you want to click on login, affiliate login, or you could click here free sign up and create your free account. Once you have created your free account, you're going to see something just like this. You want to click on these 3 dots down here, and then you want to come here and you want to click on the marketplace. When you come to the marketplace, you're going to see all these categories: arts, entertainment, e-business, e-marketing, gaming, green products, health and fitness, home and gardens. I'm interested in e-business, e-marketing, which is related to make money, because everyone is interested in making money. Everyone needs money. Money is important. So once you come here, you're going to see all these products. So you can see there's so many products down here. Okay, you could come here, you could click the buy now button to buy the product yourself, which I do recommend you do so you know what you are promoting. You could create videos regarding the product. You could click on the promote button, get your affiliate link. You could check the sales page. You could go to the affiliate page to see the resources. It tells you the product price down here. So it's $17. It tells you how much commission you're going to get paid. Now, a lot of these products that you're seeing on the list right now is very hyped products, okay? And guess what? Some of these products are like 5-6 of these products. I guess the owner is the same person. He just created different angles of a sales page with different videos and selling his product. Now, if you want to promote this product, that's okay, but I highly recommend you do your intelligence research before promoting any of these products so your refund rate is not high. Because if the refund rate is high, you're putting so much effort to drive traffic, but you're not making any money. That's number one. Number two, if your refund rate is so high, there's a chance that Explodely and any affiliate network will suspend your account because they're just going to believe you're driving rubbish traffic. In other words, okay, you're driving rubbish traffic, people aren't converting, but people are requesting refund. That means they're not qualified people that's coming into the system. So you need to be very, very careful on the traffic. So it's not about the traffic, it is about the product itself. The product itself is not good. That's why the refund rate is very high. So that's why you want to promote a proven product, and I'm giving you a proven product here. What you want to do is you want to go to the top and you want to type in this keyword inside this keyword search bar, okay? And that is a product, this product here. This is what you want to promote. This is a proven product that converts very, very good, and with very minimum traffic, you can get sales, you can make commissions, and this product is about $27. It's a product that teaches you how to make money online using a free traffic source called Instagram with 0 followers, and how to grow your followers from 0 to millions from a proven multi-millionaire earner, okay? And you're not just getting that, you're getting 6 exclusive bonuses with this product that's going to change it. So let me just show you, okay? Let me just show you what this product is. So this is the product you want to promote. If you're ready to promote this product, you want to click on the promote button, get your affiliate link, and start driving quality traffic. With very minimum traffic, you're going to start seeing some sales, and you're going to get 50% commission on this product. So let me show you. Look at this. This is the sales page. It's a very high converting sales page. All right. And this is a very, very good product, very latest product that is going to help you make commissions and help the customer buy. When he buys the product, it's going to help him make money online. Let me show you the bonuses. With the product that itself you're getting 6 exclusive bonuses. Number 1, viral videos, hook vault. Swipe my collection of 100 plus proven hooks that consistently drive 6-figure engagement. Okay. Number 2, best performing product ideas. Instant access, an exclusive list of products ideas that consistently generate $50 to $200 days with minimum effort. All right. Bonus number 3, done for you sales system. You're getting a complete done for you sales page, landing page, email swipes, everything for you to actually build a real solid internet business. It's a done for you business in a box. Master resale license. That means you're not just getting access to this product. You're actually getting this whole product itself for you to sell and earn 100% profit. Okay. So the done for you sales page is there. The done for you swipe is there. The done for you product and thank you page. Everything is there, and you can build your ecosystem within the members area, which is called the multiple streams of income. This is priceless, my friend. Okay. Bonus 5, writing high converting copy in minutes. Okay. And then ultimate 24-hour launch checklist. This is all on top of the product that you're already getting. Okay. And what's the price? Check this out. This is worth $1,302. Okay. The regular price is $197. All of this is just for $27. All right. And when you promote this product, you're going to make 50% commission. So here's the steps you need to take. Step 1, go to Explodely, create your free account. Step 2, go to the marketplace. Step 3, type in this keyword, and this is the first product that's going to come up. Okay. And when this product comes up, create review videos. If you want to buy the product, you can buy the product. Create review videos. get your affiliate link and start promoting. Now, how you're going to promote this product, there's two ways. You could do paid traffic, you could do free traffic. If you're going to do free traffic, the way to do it is first you get your affiliate link, and you want to shorten that affiliate link using a shortener, URL shortener, which is called Bitly. Okay, I use Bitly because Bitly opens up in every single browser. All right, you can use another website called tinyurl.com as well, but I just realized that tinyurl sometimes doesn't open in certain browsers. For instance, Internet Explorer has a lot of issues opening tinyurl URL shortener, so you might want to use Bitly or another URL shortener. So once you have shortened your URL, you want to come here. Okay, you want to come to Facebook. All right, and I'm showing you how to drive free traffic, and then you want to provide value. But what you want to do, you want to go to groups here, okay, and then you want to type in make money online. All right, and then you want to join these groups. Now, don't get crazy. You just want to join about 5 to 10 groups a day, because if you get crazy with this and start joining hundreds of groups, Facebook is going to think it's a bot and they're going to suspend your account. So you want to join like 5 to 10 groups every single day until you get up to 50 groups. And then every day you want to post your link to 5 groups. No more than 5 groups, okay? You want to post a regular post, all right, a similar post, and then put and when everyone responds to your post, they leave a comment. So for example, let me just go to this group here. All right, you could see here people are posting different things here. You can see here, visit my profile here. Look at this, 34 people left a comment here. Promotion ladder feed. So you want to promote, you want to actually create posts like this, images or text, and at the end you want to send, if you want to learn how to make money like this, DM me right now and I will get back to you. And people are going to leave a comment, all right, in your bio, something like saying yes, yes, I want to learn more, I want to learn more, and then you're going to send a private message, a personal message to all those people that left a comment to you. And in that private message, you're going to give them a bit of value, saying how to make money, how to make $100, and you're going to have your affiliate link for this product. And you need to do this on a daily basis, okay? Now, here's the real part. Once you start to make money, I get it, some people become so desperate, so they want to scale, okay? So they become desperate and they start getting crazy with Facebook. Just stay in control, because if you get crazy, it's just Facebook will suspend your account. So what you want to do, you want to join 5 groups a day. You want to get to 50 groups. Then you want to post to 5 groups every day. And once you start posting, you will know exactly which group is giving you the results. So you want to have a PDF or a doc where you put those group links. So whichever group is bringing results, put that on separate, and whichever group is not bringing you results, just opt out from it, okay? Then you just want to post regularly on those ones that's giving you the results, okay? So that's how easy it is. That's how simple it is. You want to create regular posts like an image saying, hey, are you interested in making $100 plus a day with 0 followers? Comment yes for more info. And every person that will leave a comment, you could send them a private personal message to them. Hey, you left a comment to my post. Here's the info where you can make $100 with 0 followers, and you put your affiliate link. And that's how you're going to drive free traffic, and you're going to start making potential commissions.